Welcome to the Daily AI Brief, where we explore the latest in artificial intelligence and cutting edge technology. Today, we're diving into a spectrum of developments reshaping industries and enhancing capabilities. From Google's flash speed innovations in AI to NVIDIA's revolutionary gaming advancements, we have a lot to unpack. Stay tuned as we delve into each of these breakthroughs and their implications. Google's latest release, Gemini 3.1 Flash-Lite, promises a new benchmark in AI efficiency and performance. Introduced for high-scale production needs, it's designed to enhance speed, reduce costs, and offer adjustable intelligence levels to fit complex tasks. Gemini 3.1 Flash-Lite marks a significant evolution from its predecessor, Gemini 2.5 Flash, boasting improved metrics in key areas. It supports applications that range from language translation to user interface creation, reflecting a broad applicability in tech-centric industries. Under the hood, Gemini 3.1 Flash-Lite leverages the Gemini API available on Google AI Studio and Vertex AI. The model incorporates adjustable reasoning capacities, known as thinking levels, allowing developers to tailor the model's depth of reasoning. This adaptability can be crucial for balancing processing speed and cognitive load when managing tasks of varying complexity. In terms of numbers, this model outpaces Gemini 2.5 Flash with a 2.5x faster response time for initial tokens and enhances output speed by 45%, as confirmed by the Artificial Analysis Benchmark. It also impresses on the Arena.ai leaderboard with an ELO score of 1432. However, like all innovations, it has its trade-offs. Key architectural details remain undisclosed, which could obscure potential limitations. The effectiveness of its adjustable reasoning levels across diverse scenarios also needs further validation, posing a challenge for developers seeking consistency. This week, developers can access Gemini 3.1 Flash-Lite through the Gemini API for hands-on experimentation. Consider testing its capabilities in high-frequency tasks like translation to observe its improvements firsthand. Google's latest AI model offers promising advancements in speed and flexibility, but the full scope of its potential will only be revealed through real-world application. The model is available at a competitive price of 25 cents per million input tokens and $1.50 per million output tokens, making it accessible for varied use cases. This cost efficiency, combined with advanced speed, can be transformative for developers working on applications that require real-time processing, such as chatbots and virtual assistants. Moreover, the introduction of thinking levels provides a strategic advantage by allowing developers to modulate the model's reasoning capabilities, optimizing performance for both simple and complex tasks without unnecessary processing overhead. Despite the excitement around its capabilities, developers must consider potential challenges. While the model is engineered for a broad range of tasks, maintaining consistent performance across different environments could demand significant adjustments during deployment. Additionally, the lack of detailed information about the underlying architecture might require developers to invest extra time for customization and integration to meet specific needs. In a collaborative effort led by top universities, researchers have unveiled the multi-scale embodied memory (MEM) system, a significant advancement in robotic intelligence. MEM is designed to enhance vision-language-action (VLA) models, bringing robots closer to human-like contextual understanding. This new memory system empowers robots with the ability to undertake complex tasks with a 15-minute contextual memory. It's a leap forward from traditional short-term processing capabilities, addressing one of the key challenges in robotics, handling partial observability effectively. The technical architecture of MEM features a dual-track design. It incorporates a short-term video encoder for real-time processing and a sophisticated long-term language-based memory to semantically distill past interactions. These components work together to manage dense visual cues efficiently, facilitating better adaptation in dynamic environments. The short-term encoder uses space-time separable attention, processing visual data with a latency of approximately 380 milliseconds, thereby enhancing real-time inference. Notably, MM claims a 62% improvement in success rates for specific tasks like door adaptation. This significant increase in performance results from its ability to better handle complex visual and environmental cues through an architecture that reduces computational complexity to OV, KNQEP, NK. This efficient processing framework allows MEM to scale effectively in diverse task scenarios, providing a robust solution for robotic memory management. Despite these innovations, MEM's wide applicability is still under scrutiny. The system's performance has yet to be extensively tested in diverse real-world environments, which poses questions about its long-term reliability. Initial empirical results are promising, but the comparative performance with existing models such as Echo VLA and RoboMemory remains uncertain. To get a practical sense of MEM's capabilities, developers should check documentation provided by Physical Intelligence and experiment with sample VLA tasks available on GitHub. Accessing related research papers on RxIV can also provide a comprehensive understanding and potential experiments for those interested in this cutting-edge technology. MEM signifies a major advancement in the integration of memory systems in robotics, potentially transforming task execution for robots in dynamic settings. Its development may lead to increased capabilities in industries like logistics, manufacturing, and healthcare, where adaptability and efficient memory management are crucial for operational success. A recent report by Manifest sheds light on a crucial issue concerning AI readiness within enterprises, revealing a significant disconnect between executive perceptions and the operational realities faced by application security (AppSec) teams. According to the report, a striking 80% of executives believe their organizations are well prepared for AI integration, yet only 40% of AppSec professionals share this confidence. This disparity illustrates an urgent need to bridge the gap between leadership's optimism and the challenges encountered on the ground. A key factor contributing to this disconnect is the proliferation of shadow AI tools and applications deployed without the official oversight of security teams. This phenomenon occurs in an alarming 63% of organizations, introducing substantial risks to data integrity and security compliance. In response, Manifest has introduced the AI Risk Transparency Solution, designed to enhance governance and visibility over AI implementations. This solution potentially integrates real-time governance features through advanced data analytics, providing actionable insights into unmanaged AI usage and enhancing security frameworks. It likely includes cloud-based and on-premises components with API integrations for compatibility with existing systems. The urgency of addressing these issues is highlighted by additional metrics from the report. Despite executive assurance, operational confidence is lacking, with 72% of surveyed respondents expressing neutrality or insufficient confidence in executing AI security strategies effectively. Additionally, a report by Big ID indicates that 93.2% of organizations lack complete confidence in securing AI-driven data, while 80.2% are unprepared for upcoming AI regulatory compliance demands. These figures underscore the critical nature of visibility in AI deployments and the challenges inherent in aligning executive strategy with technical execution. To tackle these challenges, enterprises should conduct comprehensive reviews of their AI readiness, actively looking to identify and mitigate the use of shadow AI. By implementing the AI Risk Transparency Solution, organizations can enhance their governance structures, ensuring alignment between executive expectations and the realities faced by AppSec teams. Sustainably closing the AI readiness gap is imperative for ensuring the secure deployment of AI technologies. This involves not only adopting comprehensive security solutions, but also fostering clear communication channels between all organizational levels to encourage robust, secure, and compliant AI practices. As AI technologies continue to advance at a rapid pace, organizations must remain agile, continuously updating their governance frameworks to account for new risks and standards, thereby ensuring that AI remains a trusted component of their operational arsenal. FineVoice has burst onto the scene with its avant-garde AI voice generation tool, promising to streamline the process of voice synthesis by enabling users to clone voices within a mere 30 seconds. This capability has piqued significant interest among content creators and educators who seek efficient ways to generate professional voiceovers. The release of version 3.0 in January 2026 marks a milestone, introducing enhancements in vocal expressiveness and customization. Users now have more control over tone, pacing, and delivery, making FineVoice adaptable for a wide range of audio production scenarios, from dubbing to educational resources. At the heart of FineVoice lies advanced technology, including neural text-to-speech and zero-shot voice cloning. Neural text-to-speech technology powers the transformation of written text into lifelike speech, while zero-shot voice cloning allows the software to replicate voices using very limited data. This means that users only need to provide a 30-second audio clip to create a near-perfect digital twin of their voice, a task accomplished using sophisticated algorithms designed for precision and quality. These innovations ensure that voice synthesis is not only quick, but also of high quality, catering to over 1,500 distinct voices and supporting 154 languages and accents. Despite its prowess, FineVoice is not without its challenges. User feedback has indicated problems, such as system crashes, reflecting potential stability issues under certain conditions. Furthermore, the complexity of the user interface presents a learning curve that might be daunting for less tech-savvy individuals. Moreover, its dependency on continuous internet connectivity can restrict its utility in areas with limited or unreliable internet service. Those eager to explore FineVoice can start with its basic offering by using a simple 30-second audio clip to witness the cloning capability firsthand. The tool also provides API integration, enabling developers to embed advanced voice generation features into enterprise-level applications, thereby expanding its use cases even further. As FineVoice continues to push the boundaries of what is possible in voice synthesis, it sets new standards for accessibility and operational efficiency. However, it remains crucial for users to consider their technical environments, as results and performance can significantly vary depending on hardware and connectivity conditions. This innovation in voice cloning represents an exciting frontier, potentially transforming industries reliant on audio production while initiating broader discussions on the ethical use of such technology. Denis Romanovski's appointment as Chief AI Officer at SOFTSWISS marks a significant strategic move by the company to harness the power of AI across its operations. With an industry increasingly leaning on automated solutions for competitive advantage, Romanovski's leadership is central to deploying AI-driven frameworks that aim to streamline workflows and elevate decision-making processes. Having served as Deputy CTO, Romanovskiy is no stranger to SoftSwiss's operational landscape. His experience with companies like EPAM Systems and Wargaming.net equips him with a strong foundation in enterprise software. This expertise is crucial as he embarks on building an enterprise-grade AI platform that seamlessly integrates with the company's existing tools and structures, aiming to improve efficiency while adhering to the intricacies of regulated environments. A core focus of the AI initiative at SoftSwiss is automating workflows through advanced AI capabilities. By doing so, the company seeks to enable data-driven decision-making by enhancing data analysis and integrating AI across departments. This centralized approach ensures consistent application, aligning AI efforts with overarching business objectives and optimizing the infrastructure in place. Although specific performance metrics for the platform are not disclosed, the emphasis on productivity enhancement signifies a qualitative focus, striving to refine operational efficiency and responsiveness rather than merely meeting predefined quantitative benchmarks. Implementing AI at this scale necessitates overcoming potential challenges in integrating these technologies with existing systems, highlighting the complex nature of this digital transformation. For companies aiming to follow in SoftSwiss's footsteps, monitoring their ongoing updates and strategies on AI platform rollouts could offer substantial learning opportunities. This approach provides a roadmap for successfully integrating AI into existing corporate ecosystems while navigating the associated regulatory requirements. Romanovskiy's elevation to Chief AI Officer also represents a growing industry trend of formalizing AI leadership, cementing SoftSwiss's status as an innovator in leveraging AI within regulated sectors. This strategic realignment not only anticipates enhanced operational efficiencies, but also marks a proactive stance in shaping the future of AI-driven business models. As technology evolves, such roles are becoming essential in steering companies toward more intelligent, automated operations, which could set new standards for industries grappling with similar regulatory constraints. NVIDIA's recent advancements in flash attention optimization offer promising improvements for large language models, LLMs, utilizing its CUDA and Qtile platforms. The introduction of sawtooth wavefront reordering enhances memory access, addressing the escalating demand for efficient AI model operations. This technique, developed by researchers Yifan Zhu, Yekai Pan, and Chen Ding, optimizes the flash attention method by reordering memory access patterns to reduce L2 cache misses by 50 to 67%. Performance improvements in throughput range from 13 to 60% on GB10 hardware, demonstrating its efficacy across different environments. At its core, flash attention is a memory-efficient algorithm optimizing the complex attention mechanisms in transformer models. By minimizing high-bandwidth memory access through techniques like tiling and recomputation, flash attention effectively reduces the computational demands of these models. NVIDIA's environments, such as CUDA and Qtile, facilitate seamless implementation with APIs that enable detailed and efficient kernel development. Qtile, as a higher-level programming model, simplifies GPU programming and ensures the robustness of the implementations across diverse applications. This, combined with the tool-assisted validation that NVIDIA provides, ensures that such innovations are both practical and reliable for developers working with large-scale AI workloads. However, challenges remain. The technique's effectiveness on hardware beyond NVIDIA's GB10 GPUs is yet to be confirmed. Its generalizability across various transformer models is not fully established, and the potential implementation complexity could discourage developers not well versed in NVIDIA's specific architectures. Developers eager to leverage these advancements should explore NVIDIA's detailed implementation guides available through their developer blog and GitHub repositories, providing hands-on experience with these optimizations. These resources offer the necessary technical details to efficiently incorporate sawtooth wavefront reordering into their own projects. NVIDIA's optimization techniques represent a significant stride in increasing AI model efficiency. By enhancing core attention mechanisms, they pave the way for more robust applications in the future, potentially reducing overall training costs and speeding up inference times. As these improvements influence vendor-specific adaptations in future GPU architectures, they could reshape how cloud services handle AI workloads, encouraging broader adoption of these novel approaches in high-performance computing environments. AI is playing a transformative role in field service management, FSM, enhancing efficiency through predictive analytics and automation. IBM and Salesforce have both released guides underscoring AI's impact on FSM by enabling smarter scheduling, proactive maintenance, and significantly improving technician support. Traditionally, FSM involved static scheduling systems and manual resource management, often resulting in inefficiencies and delayed responses to service needs. These traditional methods relied heavily on human calculation and experience, leading to potential errors and resource misallocation. However, with AI integration, FSM is transitioning towards dynamic, real-time decision-making frameworks that leverage massive datasets to optimize operations. One pivotal technology is machine learning, which is crucial for predictive maintenance. By analyzing historical data and identifying patterns, machine learning models can predict equipment failures before they occur. This predictive capability can reduce maintenance costs by up to 30% and equipment downtime by about 20%, offering substantial cost-saving opportunities and operational consistency. Natural language processing, NLP, enhances communication processes, especially through AI-powered chatbots that assist in customer service. These chatbots process natural language queries, providing instant responses and thereby reducing the need for human intervention in routine queries. This automation can decrease service call volumes by approximately 25%, freeing human resources for more complex tasks. Computer vision technology is applied in FSM for asset inspection and monitoring. Using cameras and AI algorithms, systems can assess equipment conditions beyond human capabilities, ensuring thorough inspections and timely maintenance. This technology drastically improves the quality and reliability of inspections while reducing manual labor efforts. Advanced data analytics play a role in making informed, faster operational decisions. By crunching extensive data, AI systems provide actionable insights that significantly improve decision-making speed by over 40%, enhancing both strategic and tactical planning processes. Implementing these AI-driven technologies comes with challenges. The quality and availability of data directly impact AI effectiveness, making data integrity a cornerstone of successful implementation. Integration with existing legacy systems can be technically complex and costly, requiring significant investment in infrastructure and workforce training. Moreover, data privacy remains a pressing concern. Companies must navigate evolving regulatory landscapes to ensure that sensitive customer and operational data are protected while exploiting AI capabilities. To explore AI in FSM, organizations should consider detailed guides and practical applications suggested by leaders like IBM and Salesforce. Implementing predictive maintenance models and experimenting with NLP APIs can provide insights into potential efficiency gains. AI's application in field service operations signifies a considerable advancement toward more efficient and responsive business processes. It aligns service delivery with modern technological capabilities, presenting a forward-thinking approach to traditional challenges. As AI technologies mature, their integration into FSM promises even greater efficiencies and innovations. NVIDIA's Avatar Cloud Engine, ACE, introduces innovative in-game AI coding agents, heralding a transformative approach to enhancing gameplay experiences. The strategic release of ACE Agent 4.0 alongside the in-game inferencing SDK 1.5 emphasizes reducing inference costs and elevating non-playable character (NPC) interactions to new heights. Central to these advancements are cutting-edge technologies like Golang 2.0, which allows for sophisticated language processing and interaction frameworks. In addition, enhanced large language model, LLM output streaming, and the use of Universal Machine Interface Model, UM, async event interfaces empower developers to craft NPCs that exhibit richer, more adaptive behaviors, providing players with a truly immersive environment. Such characters can respond dynamically to player actions, making every in-game interaction feel more intuitive and lifelike. A key highlight of the in-game inferencing SDK is its ability to slash GPU inference calls by an impressive 66%. This optimization doesn't merely conserve computational resources. It enables developers to integrate more complex AI functionalities deep within NPCs, driving naturalistic interactions without sacrificing frame rates or visual fidelity. This efficiency ensures smoother gameplay while allowing for advancements in NPC intelligence. However, the path to integration is not without its hurdles. Maintaining performance consistency across diverse gaming architectures can prove challenging, especially given the reliance on high-end GPU capabilities. Additionally, the learning curve associated with deploying these advanced AI functionalities may pose challenges for developers comfortable with existing workflows. Despite these hurdles, there are substantial incentives for adoption. The tools provide a framework that could reshape how NPCs are integrated into narratives, offering players unprecedented engagement levels. Practical steps for developers looking to harness these innovations include delving into the ACE overview and release notes, which offer extensive documentation on the application of these tools. Understanding how to align these powerful functionalities with current development processes will be crucial. NVIDIA's push to integrate AI into gaming is setting new benchmarks in interactive experiences. The introduction of AI coding agents under ACE marks a pivotal moment in the industry, promising a future where AI-driven gaming is not a mere enhancement, but a fundamental expectation, fundamentally altering the landscape of interactive entertainment. That's all for today's Daily AI Brief. We've explored how AI is pushing the boundaries in diverse fields, from enterprise security and robotics to gaming and AI-driven workflows. As always, these advancements bring both possibilities and challenges, shaping the future landscape of technology. Join us tomorrow for more updates and insights into the ever-evolving world of AI.